In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix 2026-02 preview update KB5077241 not installing in Windows 11. So method 1 is to update services. So click on search, search for services, and select run as administrator. Expand it. So once you're in here, search for Windows Update, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and App Readiness. So right click on Windows Update and click on Properties. Next, what you need to do is to set startup type to automatic if it's not running or if it's set to manual. So choose automatic. Once done, click on service status, click on start, and once done, click on apply. And do the same for other two services and see if it works. Now for method 2 is to install update manually. So to do that, go to settings again. Now once you're in settings, click on system and scroll down and click on about. Now once you're in here, take note of the system type, system edition, and the version. So take note of these informations. Go to any browser and search Microsoft Update Catalog. Click on enter, open the website. So in search, type Windows version and click on search. So we're using 25H2 and 64-bit base system. So you need to download this. So click on download. Now what you need to do is to click on this link. So as you can see at the top, it's now downloading. Wait for it to finish. Now once it's downloaded, open the file and install it to your PC or computer. And after installing, click on the start icon and restart your PC or your computer and see if that solves your problem. If that still doesn't work, you need to reinstall Windows 11 and see if it works. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.